What's up, Turbo Revers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts, guys. Today, I'm excited to bring you the all-new Tata Curvv Dark Edition, guys. We're going to be doing a complete walk around of this particular vehicle. But before we get started, guys, you know the protocol. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. Without any delay, let's get started with the video of this all-new Dark Edition Tata Curvv. What's up, Turbo Revers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts, guys. Today in front of us is the all-new Tata Curvv Dark Edition, guys. I've been waiting for this variant to come to the showrooms for a very long time, and today I've got the opportunity to bring this particular car to you guys on our channel. We'll do a full walk around, guys. This car is priced at an ex-showroom of 17 lakh 99,000, 18 lakhs up man ke chalo. This is the ex-showroom of this particular variant of the Dark Edition of the Tata Curvv, and it comes with a host of features, guys. A lot of premium features are available in this variant. Let us explore together. So right from the front, you can see these silver inserts on the grille area. Here you get all black, piano black. Everywhere it's black except for on the grill. You do get some silver inserts there. Turi Tata logo. You get a 360 parking camera with this, with two parking sensors in the front, all blacked out bumper, and it looks really nice, guys. You get projectors with this, and of course your fog lamps are present below. You get the connected LED DRL treatment as well, and this is your key. Of course, this is the follow me home that has been switched on, and here you get a lock, boot opening, follow me home, and your unlock options. At the back you get your Tata logo. So let us unlock the car once. So once we unlock the car, you get that welcome function, and once you lock the car, you get your goodbye function, guys. And yeah, that's what it is. It's very premium. It feels really nice. You can show it off to your friends. It is that kind of a feature. So this is what it is from the front. Typical signature Tata design you get here. Coming on the side profile, when it comes to wheels, you get that same flower design wheels, dual tone finish, which is 215/55 r 18-inch disc brakes for the front and the rear. So you get all four disc brakes with this, which is nice. You get Dark Edition badging here on the fender, Curvv badging on the door, finished in chrome. You get your blind spot monitoring camera here. So your turn indicators on the ORVM, and you do get that blind spot assistance here as well, guys, which is pretty nice. And here you get your flush door handles. Of course, you can open it like this. Request sensor here only for the driver. They're all lit up though, which looks really nice. Pillars and everything are blacked out, no chrome elements on the side, and you do get a panoramic sunroof with this, with your shark fin antenna on top as well. And of course, for the rear wheels, you get disc brakes, which I've already mentioned. And yeah, that's what it is, guys. You get this extra fin over here to maybe make it look a little bit more aggressive. And coming to the rear profile, you can see your light treatment here, and of course you do get goodbye and welcome functions. So we're just going to lock it, and that's all you get for the rear, I believe. Not a lot. Let me just, yeah. So yeah, it just the blinkers blink. That's about it. So you do get goodbye and welcome function for the rear as well. Currently, it's not functioning. You get reflectors and backlight here. Two parking sensors, camera placed here, Tata logo, backlight here, and your rear defogger, no rear wiper, has been provided with this particular vehicle, guys. And that's about it. We're going to be opening the boot of this car. Let us do that. 500 liters of boot space with this. You do get a parcel tray, and below you get your spare wheel, which is smaller in size, 215/50 r 16-inch steel rim. That's your toolkit. That's your JBL subwoofer, has also been provided here, guys. You get your boot lamp, two hooks here, two hooks here, four hooks in total, 60/40 split, one in triangle as well. And of course you get an electric tailgate, and there you go. Get that convenience of an electric tailgate, and it works flawlessly, guys. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think in the comments below, guys? So this was the rear profile of the vehicle. Here you get your fuel lid, and on the left side of the vehicle, nothing. It's all the same. Curvv badging and Dark Edition badging, both have been provided. Here you get your frameless wipers. Let's jump underneath the hood before we get inside and explore what's on offer there. There you go, guys. This is the story underneath the hood. You can see that Hyperion GDI engine badging, You get your battery setup here. This is your engine layout over all. Let me know your thoughts. Insulation and stand has been provided. It's pretty light. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी बिल्डिंग कर रहा हूँ तो ये बहुत हल्का लग रहा है. So there you go. Closes with a nice thud, guys. Very well built vehicle. Color also looks really nice. It's very spot on, like proper black, and it just exudes good amount of road presence with the Tata Curvv and all the Dark Edition vehicles of Tata. They do look amazing on road for sure. So what we'll do, we'll get inside the vehicle and understand what's on offer for the passengers, the driver, and everything. So let's understand here, guys. You get this door handle storage here. This is soft touch for elbow support, which is nice. Nice quality of the leather here. Here you get hard plastic. This is your door opening knob, tweeter speaker. This is your door storage. You get an umbrella holder here as well, which is pretty neat. Electronically adjustable seats with ventilated function, both the driver and the left side passenger. And anything do we get here? Nothing. We get a storage here, which is tiny. And yeah, that's about it. Of course, ORVMs are automatically adjustable and retractable as well, guys. Let us get inside without any delay. Set the seat to our driving position, and it's so convenient, guys. I mean, this is like proper premium feature from Tata in the Curvv. And yeah, this feels a little bit packed. To go a little further and now it's better, guys. Yes, so this is my driving position, guys. I'm 6 feet tall for your reference, and let's understand what we get. Let's do a soft start and see what's on offer in terms of features and everything. So AC hum karte hai off. Okay, no, the blower is not going. Arey, ye to badh gaya. Yeah, so AC is off now, and you get dual zone climate control with this. The blower is still on. I don't know why, but yeah, so you get dual zone climate control with this. You get your express cool function, rear defogger, front defogger, and your internal air circulation. This will navigate the blower. This is for your synchronization, for the AC, and this is your automatic climate control here. Dual zone climate control I've already mentioned. This is to control the AC's blower intensity, so it's all in touch, but only the temperature is in knob. Yahan bhi aap ek knob laga dete, in the middle for the blower. I think that would have made sense, but anyway, we've got all touch here now. You get hill descent with this. You get fog lights here. You get your boot opening, lock and lock, and your 360-degree camera, which is like this, guys. I mean, compared to other Tata cars, the one that you get in the Nexon, the Harrier, the quality felt clearer to me. I don't know, the quality does not feel very clear in this particular vehicle, but you get good viewing angles. I think they've degraded the quality, guys, to be honest. In my opinion, if you see my previous videos, quality was much better there. This is your 3D view, as you can see. So it's going to spin for a while and then it's going to stop. 2D view, 3D view. I think, yeah, now it's working. So you can see here your different views and everything is provided. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think when the door opens, this particular portion, like the right door had opened, so this was like gone. So yeah, that's one thing to note. So maybe the doors that open, and then this particular area of that screen goes blank. Yeah, there you go. So park brake, engage, please release. So I think this is a safety feature. So yeah, this is what it is. Camera quality feels a little bit lower compared to earlier versions, maybe compared to other Tata cars. I don't know why, but yeah, they are providing you with a 360 camera, which is nice, guys. You get this massive screen setup here, which provides Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you get various options here. Amazon Alexa, AQI, climate control, image viewer, JBL modes, media, mood light, phone quick settings, sound demo. Let's listen to this. This is our, staple signature for all Tata cars. So yeah, that sounds good. I think if you change the settings, the bass will increase and everything will sound even better. But actually, the doors are well damped and it does sound good. I'm always impressed by Tata's sound quality, guys. So that's really nice. And yeah, mood light is provided, guys. You can, of course, you get ambient lights where you can change colors as per your mood, and you get ambient lighting here. You can see orange ambient light, and even on this side you do get ambient light below here. You can see it's green in color right now, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this particular thing you can see, it's green right now. So you do get ambient light uh in the sunroof area. And this is your AC vent design, push start stop button here, 6-speed manual gear setup, 12-volt charging socket, USB A, USB C, all three are provided. And you get sport eco city mode, you get electronic parking brake with auto hold function with a wireless charging pad here. You get your armrest storage below. Armrest is not slidable, it's fixed, guys. In terms of glove box, I'm very impressed with it. You get a double decker glove box, and of course it's cooled and it's lit up as well. And again, those cup holders are still there. Please get rid of that, Tata. So yeah, this glove box is really practical, guys. In terms of steering wheel setup, you get leather, you get flat bottom, you get glossy black finish here, you get a Tata 470 steering wheel design here, you get call, accept and decline, Bluetooth function, voice command, volume up and down, track change and cruise control, and lane keep assist. And of course, this is for your MID, guys. Let's understand. You get driver's assist with this, vehicle info, navigation, media, notification, settings, trip info, guys. Check that out. This is what you get in your MID. And of course, you do get a digital screen with this. So in vehicle info, can we change the view? Settings, let's enter. So let's go here, let's go to one dial view. So that's one dial view, which is nice, looks very premium, changes also pretty smoothly. That's your digital view. And yeah, so I think I'll go with two dial view. What is your favorite? Let's try one dial view. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? So you get secondary area info as well here. And instant, you can change your which info you want to see: power, torque, compass, instant fuel economy, ADAS. Of course, this car comes with ADAS. And yeah, back, and yeah, back. So yeah, that's what it is. Anything else? Do we need to focus on trip A? Driver assist, vehicle information, navigation, media, notification, settings. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. In settings, we've already, I think, explored everything. There's nothing else to explore. This is your digital instrument cluster. Looks very premium. Let me know your thoughts. It's asking for fuel because it's hungry and thirsty at the same time. Illuminate Tata steering wheel, Tata logo here in the middle. What are your thoughts about this? I'm not a fan. I've mentioned it so many times, but to each their own. Do let me know. Auto dimming RVM, vanity mirror, ticket holder, and your panoramic sunroof. There you go, one touch open, guys. And that's your vent that opened up. And yes, it opens fully. That's awesome. And it goes all the way back, guys. Let's close it. And it works flawlessly, guys. I mean, check that out. Even the tray closes on its own, the sunroof cover. So yeah, cabin light has been provided in LED. And yeah, this is what it is, guys. We've explored the whole front area of the Tata Curvv Dark Edition, and feels very premium from the inside for sure. Everything is blacked out here. That might not make it feel a lot airy, but still, it looks good, guys. Overall, the dash setup and everything looks very premium and very well thought out. Do let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the Curvv Dark Edition so far? Let's get to the rear setting and see what's on offer there. Rear setting, guys, you get your sunshades. Door handle here is finished in glossy black. You get small door handle storage here, and of course your window up and down button is provided here. Door storage is very narrow, but your bottles do fit here at the back easily, and you get some storage here for your knickknacks. And two isofix points have been provided, two adjustable headrests, and 3-point seat belt has been provided for the rear setting. Getting inside and closing the door, closes with a nice thud. Of course, you get cabin lights for the rear, both sides finished in LED. Hook is not provided below this grab handle here. You do get a hook here, guys, on the left side. Seat pocket not here, but neither on the driver's seat. You don't get seat pockets also. Your two AC vents though, USB A and C have been provided. And in terms of knee room, so again, this is set to my driver's position. And yeah, you can see knee room, of course, इसमें कुछ खास है नहीं. So that's one thing I've already mentioned so many times. And even in terms of headroom, though it's scooped out, again, it's a risky place to be in for people who are 6'1", 6'2", you know, it will, it's not great. It's not great for me. I mean, how will it be great for them? Headroom wise and everything, this car, you know, this coupe design does make it a problem. So yeah, they need to work on that, I think, for the, you know, future cars. I mean, headroom is of utmost importance. Check out the dash from here, guys. Let me know thoughts. What do you guys think? Looks very premium for sure. And yeah, that's pretty much it as to what you get in the rear setting, guys. And let me know thoughts. What do you guys think of the, you know, Dark Edition Tata Curvv? Let's get outside and conclude the video of this particular car. Guys, this is my video of the all-new Tata Curvv Dark Edition. The most noticeable thing is the color of this car. I mean, it exudes road presence. All the Dark Edition cars look amazing, and this black color just, you know, changes the whole outlook of the vehicle, in my opinion. But do let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you guys think? And when it comes to offerings, it's loaded, guys. Rain sensing wipers, level 2 ADAS, 360 camera, electric tailgate, panoramic sunroof, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charger, the works. I mean, you get a lot of premium features with this particular vehicle, and it definitely does feel worth it in terms of the price point that is being offered at, you know, ex-showroom price of 18 lakhs. This car is offering a lot of features. If you are a feature fanatic person, you know, and if you're a Tata fan, you know where to be, guys. I mean, Tata Curvv is definitely futuristic. It's got a nice coupe design, and this Dark Edition is definitely a head turner. What are your thoughts, guys? What do you guys think of the Tata Curvv Dark Edition? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Honest thoughts are, of course, always welcome. So do let me know what do you guys think of this particular car as a whole, and how did you like this video? If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell notification icon, guys, so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Do let me know your honest suggestion as well as to if you want me to improve in any area. I will definitely work on that. So I'll see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, drive safe, stay driven. Akshay signing off. Bye bye.